Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can create this kind of amazing product table for your WordPress blog, and it's completely free. Okay, let's start. Right now I am on my WordPress dashboard. I need to install a plugin. I am going to my plugin section and I am clicking add new plugin. I have to search here with affiliate X. This is the plugin, which plugin I already installed and activated. Firstly, you need to install this plugin and activate this plugin. After that, I am going to all post section. I am going to open this exist blog post. Under this headline, I want to add my product table. I am giving enter and I am clicking on this plus add block icon and search here with product table. This is the block, which block is coming from affiliate X plugin. Select this block. After selecting that block, you will get this table design by default. If you come to the right side, layout settings, click on the right arrow icon. Current layout is layout 1. If you click on layout 2, it will like this. If you want to check layout 3, it will be like this. Which layout you like, you can use that layout. For example, I am using layout 1, but after watching the layout 1 all of the settings, you can use any of one. Layout 2, layout 3, same system, same settings. Now I will guide you one by one how you can customize this table as per your need. If I check the view post option right now, how this table look like at the front end, you can see what's the current design it's displaying at the front end. This is the by default current design. So I will guide how you can add image here, how you can change the product name and feature, and how you can customize the button. Let's come to the backend. Number one, I want to upload a image here. For uploading image, you have to click on this upload icon. I'm clicking on this upload icon, then it's taking me on the media library. I am selecting one existing image, or you can click on upload file, select file. After that, go your that folder where the image available. So I am selecting this first image and I am adding the alt tag of that image. After that, select. So image is displaying here. Now come to the next column. It's product name. For example, this product name is this one. This is the product name. And come to the next option. That's the product feature. So I want to add multiple product feature here. So I am removing this text and adding the product feature here. It's the brand, color, connectivity, operating system, water resistance level, etc. Next option is button. Right now there is two button. One is purchase now and second one is check on Amazon. If you wish, you can customize it. For example, first button you can make read the review, and second one could be check on Amazon. In the read the review section, you can add that product if have any individual review or any other link, which one you want to add here. Just paste your URL here, and if you want, you can make it new tab, relationship no follow, relationship sponsored, and if you wish, you can add download attributes. Okay, after that, give apply. So this button already applied, and for the second button it's same. Just copy your URL and paste it here, which URL you want to use on this button, and same you can use new tab option, no follow, do follow option, sponsored option as per your need. By the same way, you can add more product. Just click on this plus icon. I'm clicking here. You see, by default, again another row created already. And if you want to delete any row, just click on this delete icon. That row will be deleted. Now I am going to add another two product. I have added another two product. If I want to customize this part, for example, I want to make this feature as a list, or I want to change the font size or color of the button, anything I want to customize, I have to come to this right side. Already I explained how layout option is working. Now come to the next option, it's the general settings. Here at the first option is enable image. Right now it's enabled. It's talking about this function, this feature. If you disable it, then image will disable from the table. I am going to enable it. Next option is enable ribbon. If I disable it, you see this ribbon is going to disable. And if you want to customize this ribbon text, just click above the ribbon and write your text. For example, best pick. And here, if you don't want to give any ribbon, just keep it blank. It should not display at the front end. And come to the next option. There's the enable product name. By default, it's enabled. If I want to disable it, just disable, and product name will be disabled from here, but I think it's necessary. Next option is enable ratings. If I disable it, you see ratings is going to disable from here. I'm going to enable it, and for the first products rating is 5, and for the next product if I want to give 4 it would be 4, and if I want to give 5 for the third one it would be 5. By the same way you can give the product rating for rest of the products. And next option is enable price. By default it's disabled. If I enable the price option, after enabling the price, you see there has two types of price displaying. One is current price and another is previous price. It's like discount price is $49 and its main price is $59. And come to the next option, there's the enable counter. By default it's already enabled, but if I want to disable it, just disable, and from here counter will be disabled. I'm going to enable it again. So product counter is displaying like 1 2 3. Come to the next option is the box shadow. By default it's none, but if you wish you can enable the box shadow. Then you see here a box shadow displaying. And if I disable the box shadow, then you will see box shadow already disappear. Now come to the next option, that's the product name settings. If I open the product name settings, then you see it's showing product name tag. That means this product name, which heading tag you want to give. By default it's heading 5, but if you wish you can make it like paragraph or heading 2, heading 3. As per you need, you can change it. Next option is content settings. This content settings means this part. If I open the right side of the content settings, by default it's paragraph. If you wish you can make it list. I am selecting it as a list. All of the content of this column will be disappear. Then I have to add the content one by one. For example, I am adding here brand Samsung. After that I am giving enter and I am adding the color. So by this way you can add rest of the data. I am adding one by one. I added all of the features for all of the three products, and if I come to the next option, its list type is showing unordered list. But if you wish you can make it ordered list, then it will display 1 2 3 4. But I think unordered list is more stylish. And here you see it's tick with bracket sign displaying round with tick. But if you don't like this icon, you can choose any one from here and that icon will display there. For example, if I select this icon, you see all of the feature is going to this thumbs up icon. Okay, now come to the next option. That's the primary button settings. If I open this primary button settings, then I have two options. Enable primary button. If I disable it, you see blue color button is going to disable from the top. If you enable, then this blue color button again displaying. And next option is enable icon. This is the icon actually. If you disable this icon, there will be no icon. I am going to enable this icon. After that, next option is icon alignment. Right now, by default, it's align right. If you wish, you can make it align left. I am making it align right. Button border, by default, it's none. There has no border. If you wish, you can add the border and you can give the border color, but I think without border it's very perfect, so I'm making it none again. Next option is border radius. Right now there has no border radius. If you wish, you can give 10 pixel border radius. All of the side it will be like this, so I am giving 10, bottom 10, left 10. You see, with the border radius button design is like this, and without border radius this is like this. Next option is box shadow. By default it's none. If you give the box shadow or enable the box shadow, then here will be a box shadow and you can customize the box shadow by using those options. I am going to disable the box shadow. Next is padding. By default, they gave the padding top 10 pixel, right 5 pixel, bottom 10 pixel, left 5 pixel. Again, if you wish, you can customize the padding, you can customize the margin. Next option is secondary button settings. All of the option as it is the primary button settings. Now come to the border settings. If I open this border settings, these border settings actually mean to this round all of the four side border settings. If you want to change the color of this border, or if you want to change the style of this border, you see border style is going to change this border. If you change the color of this border, if I want to make it red, you see this border color is displaying red. By default, they gave the border width 1 pixel, top, right, bottom, left. I mean all of the four side border width is 1 pixel. You can customize it to 2, 3 pixel. That's up to you. Next option is border radius. By default, there has no border radius. If you wish, you can add the border radius. Now come to the next option. That's the color. And ribbon color you can customize, counter color you can customize. I mean, this is the ribbon. This color, if you want to customize, you can customize it from here. And there has left side color and the right side color. All of the left side color means text color and right side color means background color. So by default, ribbon text color is white, background color is red. You can change the counter color, I mean this color. You can change the rating color. Talking about this rating color, you can change the price color, table header color, title color, content color, list icon color. I mean this list icon color also you can change. And primary button text color, primary button color, secondary button text color, and secondary button color. And for the text color, you see both are white. That means first color is text color and second color is text hover color. I mean when user will hover here, that time what text color you want to display, you can define it from here. I think you understand how you can change the color of this table, all of the function. You can go one by one. Next, come to the background type. It's talking about all of the background of this table. By default, it's solid color and it's white background color. If you wish, you can change it to any other color. And here has another option, gradient color. If you wish, you can make the background as a gradient. It will display like this. Even you can customize the gradient from here. Next option is typography. I mean all of the text typography settings are here. And if you go through the one by one, first option is ribbon typography. If you open on this font family, you can change the ribbon typography font family. If you want to change the ribbon font size, just click on this font size and you will get font size settings, line height, letter spacing, all of the same, counter typography, rating typography, pricing typography, button typography, table header typography, title typography, content typography. I mean, all of the settings are similar. Just you should go one by one, and if you need to change anything, just you can change. Come to the next option, that is spacing. If I open to the right arrow icon, then first option is image padding. I mean, this image padding, there has no padding, no margin. And next option is the advanced option. This is the final option. There has one settings. If you want to make more customization with additional CSS, then you can input that CSS class name here and your table design will change. I am going to give save, and at the front end I am going to give a refresh. Let's see how my table looks like at the front end. You see, this table is looks like this. And finally, I want to guide you, if you need to change the price, how you can change it. Just click above the price and write your desired price. Just click and write. I believe after watching this tutorial, you can easily make this product table. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and publishing, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.